Welcome back to our channel. The automotive world is abuzz with excitement over the Tata Punch F 2025, the latest offering from Tata Motors in the electric vehicle, space. This compact SUV combines affordability, eco-friendliness, and cutting-edge technology, making it a must-watch for car enthusiasts and prospective buyers. If you're eager to stay updated on this revolutionary here's a list of the best YouTube channels that provide in-depth reviews, comparisons, and updates about the Tata Punch F 2025. Known for its cinematic approach to car reviews, PowerDrift delivers detailed content that includes test drives, feature breakdowns, and expert analysis. Their reviews on Tata's F lineup are thorough, and you can expect a dedicated review of the Punch F 2025 as soon as it hits the market. Autocar India is one of the most trusted names in the Indian automobile industry. Their YouTube channel is a goldmine for auto enthusiasts. From first looks to comprehensive road tests, their coverage of the Tata Punch F will leave no stone unturned. If you enjoy technical deep dives and performance comparisons, Motobeam is the channel for you. They provide unbiased reviews and real-world tests, helping you understand the capabilities and limitations of new vehicles, including Fs like the Tata Punch. Cardico simplifies automotive jargon and provides clear, concise reviews. Their focus on price, features, and practicality makes them an excellent resource for potential buyers of the Tata Punch F. This channel specializes in F content, from reviews to battery performance and charging infrastructure. With Fs becoming more popular, their in-depth analysis of the Tata Punch F's battery life, range, and charging speed will be invaluable. As an F-dedicated channel, the F Explorer dives deep into electric vehicles, highlighting their environmental impact, technology, and performance. Expect detailed coverage of the Tata Punch F 2025, from its design philosophy to its driving dynamics. Don't miss Tata Motors' official YouTube channel for the most accurate and up-to-date information about the Tata Punch F. This is where you'll find official launch videos, feature highlights, and insights straight from the manufacturer. YouTube channels ensures you get a well-rounded understanding of its performance, features, and overall value before making a purchase decision. By subscribing to these creators, you'll gain access to unbiased reviews, exclusive content, and practical advice to help you make an informed choice. Whether you're an F enthusiast or a first-time buyer, these channels are your go-to resources for all things related to the Tata Punch F 2025.